phase of polling, the second last phase of polling in the country for the Lok Sabha elections, which is in fact underway. About 25 minutes to go, and polling wraps up in most constituencies. 58 Lok Sabha constituencies across 8 states and union territories. I'm Sneha Mordani, with me my colleagues Nabila Jamal, Mosmi Singh and Aishwarya Paliwal, getting you up to speed with all the details on the ground. They are in fact joining me from the national capital. First, a quick check of news which is just coming in. Let's go straight to these developments. (53.82% till 5 p.m. in Delhi. In fact, that is the story we are breaking at this hour. This is the average voting percentage which has just been released by the Election Commission of India. These are details that we have with us as far as voting in Delhi is concerned. Remember, in 25 minutes from now, voting gets wrapped up in Delhi. 6 p.m. when voting ends in Delhi, and this is the data that we have with us as far as the voting percentage is concerned. It stands at 53.82%. All right, let's now tell you about the 7 Lok Sabha constituencies, but I'll focus solely on South Delhi. Well, as far as South Delhi is concerned, the key contenders here are Ramveer Singh Bhiduri of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and challenging him is Sahi Ram Pahalwan, that has been fielded, who has in fact rather been fielded by the Aam Aadmi Party. Some reactions which are coming in, let's listen in.
दिल्ली के लोगों के दिल में मोदी जी है। मोदी जी को भरपूर आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है। मोदी जी के प्रति दिल्ली के लोगों का प्रेम और स्नेह वो दिखाई दे रहा है। मोदी जी को दिल्ली के लोग तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बनाना चाहते हैं।
I think everyone should go and vote. It's really important because if you want a good leader, you have to go and vote. You can't just sit at home and not vote. So please go and vote. Thank you, and here's my finger.
हाँ, इम्पोर्टेंट तो है कि हमारे अब जो लीडर्स बन रहे हैं वो अच्छे आदमी होने चाहिए, जिन्होंने पीछे काम किया है। जो अच्छा काम किया तो उन्हीं को देंगे ना।
Colleagues are getting us up to speed with all the details. Nabila joins us from right outside the Parliament House in Delhi. Aishwarya continues to be with us as well, and Mosmi also getting you up to speed with all the ground reports, whatever she's seeing around her. I'm going to come to all of you in a moment from now. First to Aishwarya to talk a little about South Delhi. You know, Aishwarya, an interesting contest here. Both the candidates are from the Gujar community, because it's extremely important to take note of the fact that this is what was known as Delhi Dehat. Urban villages in South Delhi hold the key to a great extent, isn't it?
Well, definitely, Sneha. And let me also tell you, last time the person who had won with a whopping margin of 3,60,000 votes, that is the 2019 elections, was Ram Singh Bhiduri. So, Ramesh Bhiduri. Ramesh Bhiduri, in fact, was also very, very hopeful that there will be a repeat of his ticket because of the whopping margin with which the BJP had won. Almost 3,60,000 votes. That is the kind of margin that he was looking at. And that's the reason why the BJP this time too is very, very confident, though the ticket has now gone to Ramveer Singh Bhiduri. So, BJP very confident that they will see a repeat of what took place last time. They are hoping that a similar repeat will take place this time too. And last time, if we speak about the voting percentage, in 2019, the constituency saw a voting percentage of 58%. So keeping all those things in mind, the BJP at the moment looks very, very confident, not just for this particular seat, Sneha, but also they believe that this will be a hat trick, because they believe that the Modi magic, Modi 3.0 is actually working on the people. Now, when we move on from this, we go to West Delhi. That's also a place where we are seeing very, very interesting fight, which is now taking place. Three-cornered fight here between the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP and the BSP. From the Aam Aadmi Party, it is Mahabal Mishra, who's now contesting. From the Bharatiya Janata Party, Kamaljeet Sehrawat. And from the BSP, we are seeing Vishakha, who at the moment is now fighting. So a three-cornered contest there. BJP still very, very confident that they will be able to see a repeat of what took place in 2019. Now let's listen in to what the Aam Aadmi Party candidate Mahabal Mishra said.
कई गुना बढ़ गया है। किसान को 1.5 साल तक किसान रोड पर बैठा रहा। 700 किसानों की जान गई। एक बार भी मोदी जी को 5 मिनट का समय नहीं मिला देश के प्रधानमंत्री जो जाके मिले। तो ये मुद्दा लोगों के मन में है, जो आज इस तरह की जो ये कोई काम का नहीं है, ये सिर्फ झूठ बोलते हैं, नफरत फैलाते हैं। और गाना क्या लाया है, जो राम को लाए हैं उसको हम लाएंगे। तो राम को लाने वाला कोई व्यक्ति है, राम हमें लाया, सृष्टि को बचाया, तो राम की भी छोटा कर दिया।
My colleague Abhishek Anand is now joining me on the constituency of West Delhi. Abhishek, very clearly now we are seeing it is being said, जो राम को लाए हैं उनको लाएंगे. So that definitely we can see was a song that was being played in the entire country and also in particular pockets in the national capital, specifically in West Delhi.
Well, Aishwarya, the contest in West Delhi especially is very interesting this time. Mahabal Mishra himself is a very interesting character, a very interesting candidate. He was a Congress leader earlier. He was an MLA for 3 times. Then he became an MP before 2014. Then his son became the councillor from Aam Aadmi Party. Then his son became the MLA from Aam Aadmi Party. And Mahabal Mishra was expelled from the Congress Party for 6 years. Yes, so this is how it has happened for him, and now he is the Aam Aadmi Party candidate. And in front of him, Kamaljeet Sehrawat was one of the mayors. When MCD was in 3 parts, she was one of the mayors. So the election campaign of Mahabal Mishra is totally driven by his legacy. He is trying to prove himself worthier than Kamaljeet, but and this is the statements of Hum Ram Ko Laaye Hain and criticizing BJP for using such words is the motive of the Indie Alliance to actually bring down the fight to local level and not take it to the national level, so that the local issues shall be included. And for the very first time, Aishwarya, in the national capital, the 2 arch rivals, the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, are together, and this is a very interesting fight to see when 2 flags of Aam Aadmi Party and Congress are clubbed together in many of the election rallies. Aishwarya.